Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to allow tipping on your Smule account. Now if you want others to give tip on your Smule account but you don't know how to allow your tipping, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Smule app. So if you have not installed the Smule app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So from there you just need to open the Smule app, and this is the homepage of Smule where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar like feed, explore, sync book, activity and profile icon at the very bottom right. Now to allow tipping on your Smule account, you just need to click on the option of profile icon, and at the very top right you'll see three straight lines. So click on it, and from here you may simply click on the option of edit profile, or you may click on the option of edit profile at the very profile page itself. And from here if you scroll down at the very bottom you'll see the option of tipping. So by enabling tipping on Smule, you agree with the tip terms and condition of the Smule app itself. So simply toggle it on, and to receive the payment you must select at least one payment method. So you may select the payment method like PayPal, Wise, Venmo, Revolt and all of it. So you just need to select the option, and here you just need to enter your payment link like PayPal link or Venmo link or Wise link and all of it, and people will send tips to the username you have entered above. And by adding a username and accepting tips, third-party payment provider rates and terms will apply. So please check their website apps for more details. So it says all of it, and after entering your link you just need to click on the option of save at the very top right, and you'll be able to get tip in the Smule app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.